So in this video I would like to talk to you about the visual styles and options on attributes and on point clouds. So let's start with the visual styles. Now on top here in this menu we have different visual styles. I have ordered these into different categories where we have some AC visual styles, which is an accomplished attribute. We have, in this case, Excel files, and we have some ST styles which are status trackers. Let me start here with the first one. This one is called material. So based on an attribute that is available in the 3D model, you can basically choose whatever attribute you would like. And you can make this visual in the different categories that that attribute has. So in this case what I did is that for all the different types of pipe that we have in this project, all the different types of pipe have different kinds of materials. So basically it is showing all the different materials in different colors. And of course you can do this with any type of attribute that is available in the 3D model. Another example of this is, for example, the pipe nominal size. So basically right now it is showing you all the different pipe nominal sizes in different colors. And you see here in the bottom, and you see each different value has a different color. And this basically gives you an overview of, for that attribute, which colors are which size. So could be a good advantage for example, project managers to get an overview of how far or how much of certain attributes are available. Or you could, for example, do it for a specification. That you see is that which specifications are used in a project. What we can do as well is that if we, for example, choose here the top one, if we choose material, and then here in our second pull down menu we go to pipe nominal size, then we get an overview of all the different pipe nominal sizes. If I then here deselect all nominal sizes and only select, for example, nominal size 100, then right now I get an overview of all the nominal size 100 pipes, and then I can see is that for the nominal size 100 pipes there are only 3 different types of materials used in this project. So like this you can basically combine and play with 2 different attributes which you want to compare or show over each other. What you can do as well is you can, for example, use status tracking. Now status tracking is, for example, let's say you use a, let me put this one back to systems and lines. You use a equipment status. So you have certain equipments in your project which have different statuses. So in this case we're using purchased, approved and designed. So like this you can kind of like keep track on what the status is for certain equipments that are being built in and placed during the building project. So again, this is also a good way of visualizing how far you are in an actual project, and which can be used for project managers. The same thing what you can do is you can do it also for pipeline statuses. So depending on what category you choose, in this case we only have 2, but you can also add more if you would like to. You have the manufactured and you have the designed. And you can see that in different colors. And for the rest we also have valve statuses. So basically, again, same as for the equipments, we have 4 different statuses. We have purchased, installed, tested and designed. And then all these valves can have different states. Now, if I select one valve, and this works for all the different status tracking options is that I can basically choose here which state it is in. So currently, if it is already installed and then if it is tested, I just change the status right here, and also the color changes automatically. I would say play with it, give it a try and see how it works. Now what you can also do is that, because in some situations you might be working with an Excel file, so where you have all your information in an Excel file, so what you can also do is you can hook up this to eShare and use that as a way of representing the status. So in this case, also designed and installed, but reading it from an Excel file, and you can see it in different colors. In this case for the equipments, but also possible for valves. In this case again, the valves in 4 different statuses, but this time reading it from an Excel file. And then again, if I click on this, what you can do is that over here you see what the value is in the Excel file, and then what the name of the valve is, and that then gets represented by a certain color in this project.